Hi everyone, this is Alex from Rezt+Relax Interior. Today, I would like to show you a penthouse apartment at Eco Century. The owners wanted to have a modern luxury theme for the unit. Come, let me show you. At the entrance area here, I have designed a full-height cabinet for the storage for shoes over here and plenty of storage around it. It also comes with display area for the owners to showcase their collections. For the living room, we have a marble feature wall for the TV area here. Contrastingly, I'm using a bronze metallic type of laminate that blends well with the marble. Over dining area here, we have a gold wall that has a marble effect on it. And we also have a large floating mirror that enlarges the space. The owner wanted to have a hotel theme to their master bedroom, so I have designed a full-height bed head with a tinted mirror and a cushion design. We head down this wall here to create a walk-in wardrobe that can be directly accessed from the master bedroom. We have a full-height mirror here with plenty of storage around it, and also a dressing table here. Lastly, this is a staircase that leads to the loft area, and we also have storage here. In Rezt+Relax, we believe once a customer, always a customer. Hope you like my design. Thanks for watching.